there's a railroad crossing. We're gonna go this park again. Looks like it's a little rainy. Well, we'll stay here a little bit. Here's the bell. There's a lot of boats. Alright. Alright guys, we're at the Riverfront Park again. This is gonna be 2 this time. Forgot the 30 chime. I don't know if we're not gonna reach the 4:30 chime because it's raining right now. We're gonna wait until 4, which is about 10 more minutes. Alright. After the 4 p.m. chime, we'll do a few more characters in my bag. Here's the fireman statue behind the flowers. Looks cute. Kind of looks like Chase McCabe fireman, which is in the girlfriend named Natalia, the Lego minifigure character, or Lego City Undercover. I didn't do King's Court yet because I was about to start at Peekskill today. So I'm gonna come back when I get home. I'm going to play a quick 100% guide at King's Court. I finished at Fresco, Paradise Sands Airport, Lego City Airport, Uptown, Blackwell Bridge, Bluebell National Park, Fort Meadows, Arbor Bay Bridge, Cherry Tree Hills, and Arbor. Sorry about that. Alright, I'll wait for a little bit. So I'm going to do also I'm going to do I don't know, I forgot. You know what, I'll forget it. Train to Poughkeepsie's coming. Watch by the crossing. Just a few minutes about the bell. Alright, 1 more minute for the bell. Sounds like the New Hampshire Eagle Square Clock Tower. Here goes the train to the bridge. We'll wait for 4:30. I don't know. Is coming. I hear announcements. Only stopping at Harlem, 125th Street, and Grand Central Terminal. So no Croton on Hudson and Yonkers. Only no Croton, Ossining, Tarrytown, Yonkers, and no Yankees, because there's another train might be coming, because Amtrak is going to pass after this train, because it's only 2 tracks, so they got to skip stop only. Sorry, I didn't hear the announcements on the phone, only in real life. Here it comes. Phew. The R car just passed. The horn is not good. Ice cream truck. Well, this is not for passengers to eat. It's only for selling at the grocery store. It's only for events only instead of I think another train's coming. It might be an Amtrak. I think an Amtrak's coming. Sorry guys, it's a little rain. Yep, it's an Amtrak. Amtrak to Albany. Here's the train too. Waiting for the 4:30 chime and then we gotta go home. Sorry about that, it's a little rain today. We're gonna continue playing Lego City Undercover when I get home. Yeah. Before we go, let's take a look at the lake. Maybe we could hear. It's foggy right now. Yeah. I have a little stuffy notes today. Last year there was a little flood, which is like 9 months ago. There was flood right here. Here's the church, but this one doesn't sound. This one has no bell, Caroline. We'll watch it right here. I guess we're gonna do new characters today. Only Elinor Balloon, all of the ostrich only. Let's watch it right here. Check my battery, alright. 1 more minute, I guess. 4:30 chimes is about to start. I forgot this one in 2023. Well, it's 2024. Hear another train coming. Hear a motor. I don't know if it is a train or it's just a car. It's about to ring soon. I don't know if 4:30 chime doesn't have. We have to find out and wait. Yeah, I can't wait to see the next bell. Oh, okay, owner. Sorry about your ears. Oh. It's only one. 4:30 is one chime. Alright. Before we go back to the car, let's get the new ones. Guys, what do you think? I like it. Sorry, Olive. Sorry. Yeah, this is nice. Sorry. You know what? Let's put it right here. You know what? Let's go to the car. I'll show you guys when we get there. Alright. Go. Yeah. Alright, we're getting ready.